Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is Java tutorial 10. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about logical operators with real life example. Logical operators are used to check the logic between variables or values. Let's start. This is and returns true if both statements are true. Now this one is or returns true if one of the statements is true. Now not not returns false if the result is true. Now we will check if a given year is leap year or not using conditional operator. Using this int year equal 2020, checking condition if year is divisible by 4, then use and we'll use here year 400 equal to 0 or year 100 not equal to 0. We are checking first year is divisible by 4 or not. 400, here we use AND operator, it will check. Then here we use OR operator. Here year is divisible by 100, we use not equal to, that if year is not divisible by 100, then we will say that it is leap year. Print SOUT leap year. Else print not leap year. SOUT tab not leap year. Now we will check 2020 is divisible by 4 or not. For 2020, suppose first multiply 4 multiply 5 is 20, first 2, 4 is not divisible by 2, then you have to give 0 here, then you can 0, 4 multiply 5, that means 20, 20 minus 20 0, that means 2020 is divisible by 4 as remainder is 0. We got the remainder 0. Now we'll check 400 2020 2020 400 multiply 5 2000 remainder is 20. That means this is not true. Now we will divide 2020 by 100. 2020 100 multiplied 2 is 200. 2 have to give 0 to 0 here. That means this condition is true, that 2020 divisible 100 is not equal to 0. That is 20, that is not 0. That means this condition is true, and this condition is true, and this condition is false. This condition is false. That means 2020 is leap year, because this first one condition is true. 2020 is divisible by 4, and 2020 divisible 100 not equal to 0. That is why we'll get that 2020 is leap year. Let's debug. You have to first click here, then debug project. If you click here, you can see that step over is F8 and step into is F7. We'll press F8 to go to the next line. Press F8. It will checking the condition. As it is true, it will execute this statement, leap year. F8, then F8, then F8. See, this is leap year. If we want to check that 2019 is leap year or not, let's check. First debug the project. Press F8. This condition will not be true. It will not be printed here. It will go here. Press F8. See, this line is not executed. Press F8. Press F8 to go to next line. That 2019 is not a leap year. That means AND operator returns true if both statements are true, and OR operator return true if one statement is true, either this one or this one, and NOT operator returns false if the result is true. I hope you understand now how to use conditional operators in Java. That's all for today. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Stay safe.